Good morning, everybody on YouTube. It is 7 a.m. I'm getting ready for a tag sale, and I haven't had one in a long time, so I need to remember how to set everything up. I have to set everything up. Literally just rolled out of bed, so it is time to get ready. It's kind of chilly outside, but gotta set everything up. I posted pictures last night on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, and I've been getting messages like crazy because I made sure I made my very first picture, this box right here. Bam! So I just showed off this box. I showed the very top with Pokemon, Soul Silver. There's a few Mario Bros games in there, and yeah, just some stuff that I felt like I had in my inventory to list on eBay and stuff, but you know, this game's really not worth that much. Pokemon Soul Silver. You would think because it's a Pokemon game, it's worth a lot. This is actually probably the least valuable one. And then these Mario Bros games, they go for a decent amount, but after fees and everything, you'd probably make, I don't know, maybe 10 bucks, maybe a little bit less. So I figure if I could try to get, you know, 5 bucks for these games right here, I'm gonna try and get 5 bucks for this. We'll see what happens. And then, you know, a couple bucks for the rest of these. It's nothing too valuable in here, but there's some popular games, and you know, we just have a mishmash of stuff sitting here. And I need to find another one of these kinds of tables. I only have 2, and one of them is being used for my computer. So I think I will be putting stuff out on my porch and just getting all stuff like that ready. So I gotta get started. I'll see you guys soon. So you can see right here is the porch. I think I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff here. Right here is the driveway. I'm gonna move that car around back. I'm trying to sell this car. So I was supposed to go pick up a battery, so it's gonna be a tough sell because it doesn't turn on right now. I bought a battery at Walmart. I was supposed to install it yesterday, but I was very busy yesterday, so I was not able to install it. So that's kind of a shame. And everything's kind of overgrown here right now. So I was gonna set up some tables right in here, maybe a little bit up front here, right around the car, and then up here onto the porch. So these are recyclables. Got to get those into my car and return to free up some space. And I don't have my broom with me because I want to sweep all this off. I want to put like a little blockade right here because nothing right here is for sale. But I'm trying to sell this table, which kind of stinks because these candles are all sitting here and they kind of stained the table. I don't know how I'm going to be able to clean that, but I'm going to do my best because I want to try and get a few bucks for that table and chairs. So let's go. Alright guys, so it's coming along. Obviously I still have a lot to go. I decided not to move the car. A lot of work. I got some buckets from IKEA, guitar, lots of toys. I brought up a bunch of DVDs and CDs to sell, some VHS tapes. Got a whole bunch of video games over here, just trying to get rid of. Got this fun thing that I actually really like. I cannot find the goalposts. I'm looking everywhere for them, but this thing's really fun. It works great. Gotta sell this table. I tried cleaning it. It didn't really work out very well, so gotta figure that out. Hopefully somebody still buys it. We just got a bunch of random stuff. A lot of these are Amazon returns, guys. Like this, yeah, this sells for like 13 bucks after fees. You'll get about 5, right, over on Amazon. If I could sell it for $2 to $3, I'm happy. That's cash in my pocket. I'm taking a $2 loss, but I'm moving in, you know, days. So I just gotta move this stuff. I got a bunch of Xbox One games and Blu-rays to draw some eyes. These are all my old Blu-rays. You know, I kept some of the ones I really like, but we have some good ones in here for sure. I'm gonna ask 3 bucks a pop and just see what happens. I got most of these at Goodwill for 3 bucks anyways, and a lot were gifts. Right here, we got a bunch of video games. They're almost all less than $5 after fees on Amazon. So I figured I would just sell them. There's a couple in here like Assassin's Creed Unity Limited Edition. I'll get $7 after fees. But if I get 5 bucks for it cash, guys, I am happy. Got a bunch of records. These are all unsold inventory on Amazon. So I figured, you know, I've been taking off the Amazon wrappers and just sticking them in this box. We have a keyboard. It's not this keyboard in here. I bought it at a thrift store for 5 bucks, thinking it was that. It's a Microsoft one. It's still worth about $10 after fees, but I'm gonna try and just get like $3 to $5 for it, maybe even $2. I really don't care. Got to get rid of it because I don't want to move this stuff. Then we got some furniture. I mean, I haven't really pushed out that much furniture yet, so it's heavy, man. It takes a while to set this thing up. This is my girlfriend's dad's guitar. He wants to sell it, so I told him I'd try to sell it for him. And yeah, we got boxes everywhere. I didn't put any under there, which is good. I thought I'd have to pull some out. So I don't know where I'm gonna put the CDs and DVDs. I'm probably gonna line them up right there so people could come in and look. So time to go back inside, man. I'm digging through everything. You guys can see how much of a mess it is because we are in the process of moving, but I got more records right there I need to finish. Some ones I'm gonna keep. Blackheart Man I'm keeping by Bunny Wailer. Peter Tosh, I like these, so I'm keeping them. I don't know what that is, but I just want to peel off the Goodwill sticker. And I'm selling that on Amazon, of course. Got a bunch of these deodorants that I have listed up on eBay. I might sell these. I'm gonna put those in my bar downstairs at my new place. Yeah, so I just got stuff on stuff. All of these got returned. Even though you're allowed to sell these over on Amazon, the listing got blocked for me. Even though it doesn't show up as restricted, each time I've sent them in twice and they've gotten blocked both times. So I've had to pay return shipping both times. So I'm waiting for Christmas and I'm gonna merchant fulfill these. Kind of a pain in the butt. I'm not selling any of my PS4 games, not at all. I have a huge PS4 collection down in here. I mean, absolutely massive. So probably close to 100 games, and that goes 2 layers deep. So I love the PS4 so much. But yeah, I gotta keep finding stuff. The office is, oh my gosh, it's so hard to even walk around in there. But there is some things I need to grab from in there. Also, I have eBay orders that need to go out, which kind of sucks. So took out that cart, trying to find some artwork down in the basement to put out. I don't know what else. It's a lot of work and I'm tired, guys. It's a mess in here. It's a mess in here, gotta do some dishes. But, alright guys, I'm just showing you some stuff. Let's hope nobody's stealing all my crap outside. And we could actually make some money today, guys. It starts in about 30 minutes. I'm surprised nobody showed up yet. I didn't put any signs around town. I only listed it online. I was thinking about putting like a big tag sale sign, maybe right there on that pole, like tag sale. But people will see it. This is kind of a main road. It's kind of busy. So people will see it and hopefully they just stop by. So it's chaos out here, guys. We got a car alarm going off. There's a 3-car accident right down there. There are motorcycles whipping by all day. It's kind of a pain in the butt out here. I've been doing all right. I sold a pretty good amount of video games. I sold some Blu-rays over here that I had listed for $3. I haven't sold any records yet, surprisingly. I sold some of these that I got out of that bulk buy, that bulk pallet. Don't think I've sold any furniture. Somebody was interested in my Saab, which I'm selling this for $1,500. What else? Somebody came by and bought a DVD. I sold some toys. Got a whole bunch of these I was telling you guys about. I paid $6 a piece for them, and I know I can definitely sell them for, I think, around 20-ish on Amazon. As a merchant, shipping's kind of crazy. The price used to be in the high 30s, and I feel like it'll go back up to that around Christmas, but I have so many of them inside. I'm selling them for 10 bucks a pop, and I sold one of those, which is nice. I bring one out after another. I don't want to bring them all out here because I do want to save some to sell online, because I'll make way more money than just $4. But at least I'll take the cash right now. Less stuff to move. It was kind of a pain having these shipped back and forth to me with Amazon, so we'll see what happens there. I haven't sold any of these little buckets yet. I have this table out here. I have a guitar right here, which had a price tag on it. Yeah, somebody was looking at it. He might come back for it. I don't know. I haven't put everything out yet. It's still pretty early. I got this football game right here that I'm waiting on. Some more records down there. We got a bunch of Star Trek VHS tapes that came in a huge CD DVD lot. These were just thrown in for free. So I figured $5 for the whole box is pretty good. I put some flannels out. I mean, people don't really buy clothing, I noticed, from sales. Maybe let me know if you guys have ever sold clothing at a sale, at a garage sale. I have never seen anybody buy any, but you never know. You know, some Wrangler, Woolrich, Ralph Lauren, some good stuff here. Now, I actually got all of these for free, so I was just gonna sell them at $2 a piece to get rid of them. I mean, I have a lot of clothes listed online, guys, and this is nothing super special. Some Woolrich, Eddie Bauer. They were free, you know, so I'm just trying to move them. I don't even know what kind of jeans these are. Some Levi's, so still not so bad. $2 a pop would be nice on these if they would actually sell. And yeah, so just I sold some toys and stuff like that. Toys seem to do pretty good. But I mean, I've only had, I think, 5 people come by, really not that many people. And I've made $105.80 so far. So I mean, I'm doing all right. $105 isn't anything to laugh at. I'm very happy about that. I'd like to make at least another 100, so $205, and I will be happy. That will help me buy a fridge for my new house. So yeah, just waiting for people to come by. I didn't put a single sign up in town. I only posted online. I figured people will drive by and see it since it's a pretty busy road. So yeah, see what happens. All right, guys, the wallet is looking fat. The wallet is looking fat, and the dog is looking skinny. She's in shape. She's in so much shape, but the wallet, it's exploding at the seams. I'm just waiting for somebody who ran to the supermarket to get some cash back, and she is going to be buying this stuff and that PS1 for $60, which I'm super happy about. We just got a few things in here. We have a Game Boy that doesn't work. We have a Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2. We have a Nintendo DS that has a broken hinge. We have a PS1 which does work perfectly fine. It's actually very clean. And then we have some games right here. Nothing too phenomenal. Lester the Unlikely, Balls, Porky Pig, Batman, Jurassic Park. Nothing too special. This is nice, but one of the things is broken on it. And then right in here is a carrying case I used to use for Super Nintendo games, which I'm just gonna throw in, just give it to her. 60 bucks I feel like was a solid deal. Let's see what games we have in here. Just a few games, nothing too amazing. Super Black Bass, Nintendo Guts. This is probably the best one right here, Diddy Kong's Quest. Sonic 4, Shaq Fu, Street Fighter 2, The Lion King, and Super Star Wars. I feel like if I were to sell all of this online, after fees, after everything, I might, if I'm lucky, because a lot of these are long tail items, guys. If I were to sell these online, I might make $120 at the high end. I mean, that's at the really, I can't zipper this up. That's at the really high end. Probably closer to $100 after all fees, maybe even a little bit less if I wanted to move this stuff fast, because everything does have wear. This has a broken clip right there. This has a broken hinge, and that truck was really loud. This has a broken hinge, the Game Boy doesn't work. So it's, you know, it's all these little things that add up. So $60 cash, I'm super happy about. I'm gonna show you guys the grand total of what I sold everything for in a minute. You guys can see what sold. It is way more empty out here, which is nice. We still have a lot of CDs and DVDs, which kind of sucks. This is stuff I really wanted to sell. I did sell a decent amount of them, but not enough. Some guy was gonna come and buy them all for a flea market at $0.25 a piece, but he didn't have enough. Space in his car, so that's kind of a shame. But you know, it is what it is. We do have a lot of PC games left, so I might just do an auction over on eBay for the rest of them. Same goes with these DVDs. I might just do an auction just to move it all, so I don't have to sit on it for that long.